Hello everyone, I'm Itdevx, and this is my new channel, Itdevx. My goal for starting this channel is to share my experiences and learnings about programming with you. This is my first video on YouTube, so honestly, I'm a little nervous, but I think it'll be fun to learn and grow together along the way. My beginning. At first, like many people, I didn't know anything about coding. I started by writing the most basic HTML and CSS codes. For example, making a simple page with a heading and a few colors felt like magic. Then I learned JavaScript. This part was not easy. I made mistakes. I didn't understand many times, and I had to search the internet a lot. But slowly, as I was patient, the results began to appear. For example, my first small project was a to-do list. The user could add and delete notes. At that time, it was a huge achievement for me. Even though it was a small project, I felt like I had built something real, something that worked. Learning React. After JavaScript, I started learning React. React opened a completely new world for me. Working with components, writing pages, and understanding concepts like props and state. One of my favorite small projects was a simple product catalog. The user could browse products, see their prices, and add them to the cart. It wasn't a big app, but for me it gave a lot of motivation. And the amazing thing is, with React, you can make projects as large as you want, because it is one of the most popular front-end libraries in the world. Challenges. It's true that the path to programming is not always easy. Many times mistakes occur. I remember spending 2 to 3 hours just to fix a single button. But this process is actually the greatest teacher. Every mistake forces you to learn something new. So, I have one important piece of advice for beginners. Don't be afraid of mistakes. When you're writing code, mistakes are perfectly normal. The important thing is to find the mistake and learn from it. What you'll learn here. So how will I take this channel? First, I will briefly and clearly explain the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for beginners. Then we will do projects with React, starting from simple components to larger applications. But this channel will not only be about writing code. I will also share tips about the life of a programmer, freelancing, and my own experiences. Because becoming a programmer is not just about syntax, it's also about mindset, patience, and creativity. Motivation. I really believe that today anyone can learn programming. Your age, your background, your initial level of knowledge, none of that matters. The main things are patience, practice, and interest. I also started from zero, and now I am doing my own projects. So if I can do it, you can do it too. Outro. So this was my first video. If you want to learn programming and follow me on this journey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and introduce yourself in the comments. In the next video, we will start practicing coding together. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next part.